Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I speak English and I can understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do
100%.
you have any health issues in your body?
Definitely healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have, ma'am.
Is it family members or your friends?
Family member, ma'am.
Is it your husband, your sister,
Auntie, ma'am.
auntie? Do you know which place you were designated?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you come here to work and not to meet up with your auntie, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Noah? So, okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I try already in Malaysia, ma'am, in 2 years.
Oh, so you've been
And
here.
recently, yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay. So, what is your name?
My name is I'm 35 years old. I live in Bangged, Abra. I was born on December 28, 1989.
December 28, 1989.
Yes,
Okay, so are you single or married?
single mom.
Single mother or single with live-in partner?
Only boyfriend, mom.
Got boyfriend. Okay, what is your height and your weight?
5'3", mom, and my weight is 74.
Okay, what is your religion?
Roman Catholic, mom.
What about your educational background?
I have educational background, mom, is 2 years graduate, mom, in computer secretarial.
So you are a vocational course.
Yes, ma'am. 2 years, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
So you don't have any kids?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay, so you have a working experience here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished 2 years, ma'am.
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started in 2016 to finish contract, ma'am, in 2018.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
My first experience, ma'am, in Malaysia to take care the children and the member of the family is 7, ma'am.
Okay.
6 adults and 1 child, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family?
Chinese, ma'am.
Okay, how old is the child that you take care?
Uh, one and one I finished. I'm started 1, ma'am, 1 year old, and I'm finished 2 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so you do the house chores, you cook, you do laundry, you do
Yes,
ironing, and you take care
yes,
also of
ma'am.
a 1-year-old kid. Am I right?
Ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? Of course, you finish your contract.
Because I want to see my mother, ma'am, to take care also.
Okay, so your boyfriend
Yes.
is in the Philippines or here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am, in Saudi, ma'am.
Okay,
OFW.
so do you have any plan to find boyfriend here?
No, ma'am. I
Are you
want to work
sure?
only. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So after 2018, do you have any working experience in the Philippines or in any other countries?
No, ma'am. I'm stay in my town, ma'am, to do business.
So 2018
Mm.
and until recently, you do business.
Yes, ma'am.
What business is it?
Like here in the Philippines, ma'am, like sari-sari store
Okay.
and selling clothes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you decided to work? Why you decided to leave the Philippines now and wanted to come and work here in Malaysia?
Mm, I want to work again, ma'am, because I want to earn money, ma'am, for my future, and I want to help also my mother because the medication, ma'am, is not enough for every day.
Okay. So it's not new for you to work here in Malaysia, and you already know what are the preferences of those employers, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
houses here is quite big and you know it, and
Yes, ma'am.
employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Way back before to your
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
employer here in Malaysia, their house, is it condo or landed?
Landed, ma'am.
Landed. How many story?
Toy stories, ma'am.
You can go out on your rest day?
No, ma'am. Only December if occasionally, ma'am.
Okay, so can you use your phone for 24 hours?
No, ma'am.
Okay, same like here, okay? Our rules and
Yes, ma'am.
regulations, you cannot go out during rest day. You will going to stay
Yes,
only
ma'am.
inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. And
Yes,
usage of
ma'am.
mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Are you okay with it?
Yes, ma'am. I okay.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's you are the one who
Yes,
come
ma'am.
with us because you wanted to have this job opportunity, okay? If you don't
Yes, ma'am.
agree or if you disagree about it, maybe you can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract. It's not 2 months, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 week, and definitely it's not 1 year. Once you breach your
Yes, ma'am.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. And what you have told me right now, you wanted to give a better future for yourself also at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 7 years, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
normally you will going to work quite far away again from your family. How will you gonna fight your homesickness later?
Mm, I do while my if my have I have home, ma'am. I do music and I do call my family, ma'am, in the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay, in Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but you know it, in here in Malaysia, we need to humble ourselves because this is not the Philippines. We are a foreigner in this country, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Shian. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank you,
connected through
ma'am.
WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Hmm. Thank
Thank
you,
you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Good day, ma'am.